So hello friends, welcome to Cloud Learning. And what is in today's session for you? Today we will learn about how to host a website in Windows Server. Earlier I created one video where I informed you or where I teach you like how to set up a web server, but we use Ubuntu server there. Now there are a lot of guys who might use Windows Server or might prefer to use Windows Server. So there is requirement how we can do it. So there are that there are couple of ways or there are number of ways people can choose, but the popular ways there are two. Like in Ubuntu server we install Apache server. That same can be done by Windows server too. We can install Apache web server there, and after that we can set up the we can copy the website content there. Or there is another way we can create IIS server which is already given by Windows. You don't need to download it. You just need to install that feature IIS, and there you can host your website content. Okay. So today I am going to show you how you can install a Windows server and host your website there by using IIS. Okay. So let's start. What you need there, just have a look what the steps you need to follow to host a website. Launch a Windows server in AWS. Many of you already know. If you don't know, just see this video and you will come to know. Install IIS on Windows server. We will see how you can install IIS feature on this. Then copy your website content in HTML folder. There is one folder which get created once you installed IIS. There you need to copy your website content. Then the Windows server which you created in AWS, you need to give one elastic IP address so that its IP address didn't got changed in 2-3 days, or that if the server get restart, because that is not permanent IP. So we should use elastic IP if we need a permanent IP. And if we are hosting a website, then we would require one permanent IP address or static IP address, which is known as elastic IP address in AWS. And after that, finally you just need to map your server with the elastic IP address, the IP address which you given in your service provider. Like if you have purchased it from GoDaddy, Big Rock, HostGator, etc., you can just create a record there and you can map your domain name with this server IP address, and that's it. Or if you hosted on your AWS Route 53 service, there also the same method. You can create a simple a record and you can run your website easily. So let's see how it goes. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and click on this notification bell also, so that you get future notifications about my videos which I am getting uploaded in weekly basis, 1 or 2 videos on every week, and you can get the notification there. And this is free, so that is also another good important thing. So better if you can subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's proceed and see how we have to work in AWS. Go to your account and click on my account. No, AWS management console, and I logged in here. You can see that I logged in here and I selected my nearest region, which is Mumbai. Or you have to select your nearest region so that you get least, or that you get what I should say, you receive lower latency. Okay, so the region you should select which is nearest to you. Okay, so now I selected Mumbai region, so my Windows server which I will create will be get ready in Mumbai data center. It's as simple as that. Okay, then after that I have to choose AC2 management console, AC2 service. I need one server there, so I have to launch one Windows server. Just let me ready. Go to instances, click on launch instance. There simply you have to choose Windows Server. Okay, free tier eligible, so you can use it into free tier. In free tier, you will get T2.micro stars free tier eligible. So I will choose this one. If you have created your account in free tier, oh okay. So just recently I have created one video. I uploaded one video where I showed you that how you can create a free account in AWS, which is eligible for 1 year. So you can use this service. You can use the video to create a account in AWS so that you get subscription for 1 year and you can use the services free for 1 year. Okay, so I choose Windows Server here and I have to create one instance, one EC2 server, and I choose that one too. Okay, and I go with the default settings. Then next storage, I will go with the default setting. 30 GB is enough for me. Add tags. Okay, I can add tag here. One Windows web server. Then next security wizard. I already have one security group ready with me, so I choose this one. Or if you require, you can create a new one too. No worries. So I took RDP. I want RDP. I want to take the remote of this server. Also, I want to host a website, so I choose HTTP port and I click on OK. I'm happy with like I want that I can be access my website from any IP address. It should be available on internet, so that is also fine. Click on next. Then okay, let me just review. I created T2.micro instance which is under free tier, so I can use this server for 1 year. Uh, that is good for me, and I can create a security group I have created, and I have HTTP access. That is fine. I need HTTP access so that I can access HTTP services. Okay, and instance details, that is fine. I just need one instance. Storage 30 GB, that is also fine for me. I do not have more than 30 GB data on my website, so that is fine, and not it. Okay, I need to choose key. So if you want to create, you can create a new key. I already have one key. Okay, let's create another key. Windows web server. Let's just download it. Okay, just keep it downloaded into some safe place. Okay, where I can keep it, I can create it on desktop, save it, and click on launch instance. Okay, and let me go to another again to EC2 and check what is my server status. Okay, in instances I can see my server is getting ready. Yeah, so my server is getting ready and it is right now in Mumbai region in availability zone AP South 1A, and this is status initializing, so yet it is not completely ready and I have to wait for that time till that it get initialized and it come to 2 by 2 status, like it get ready completely so that I can access this server. So I think it will take some time, 5-10 minutes. So I just need to wait. Let me pause this recording till then and I will be back to you once it gets ready. Okay. Okay, so here you can see my server is ready. So first part is completed. Let's go with this plan. My Windows Server got ready. Launch a Windows Server in AWS. First plan is ready. Now I need to install IIS service on Windows Server. Okay, let's proceed with it. So here you can see the public IP address or public DNS, so you can go with it. There are two methods. Either you can download the remote desktop file or you can connect it via direct MSTSC and give the public IP address to connect. So here you can find the public IP address. Let me just download this file, get password, browse, and where is my file which I downloaded? It should be on desktop, Linux test server, no, Windows web server. Okay, and let me just decrypt the password. Okay, this is my password which I need to connect at the time when I copy paste web server password. Okay, I just noted down it in case I need to connect it and just copy it. And now let's try to connect the server, and here it is, my desktop file which I downloaded on this. Is it running? Yes. Click on connect. You should get one password. I pasted it and I connected it. I'm able to connect it. Okay, wow. So you can see my server got ready. My Windows server is now ready, and just 15 minutes, I think, 10 to 15 minutes it took, and I got my one complete Windows server ready. Wow, it's look cool. Okay, let's now go to proceed to the second step where I need to install IIS. So for that I need server manager. So here you can find the server manager, is it is where it is. You can see the server manager, Windows system, Windows accessories, and here it is. Go to server manager. Cool. So here I need to install IIS. Click on this option, add role and feature. So right now this is collecting the details. Click on add role and features. Click on next. Role based administration. Then I need server solution, that will be local itself. Then click on next. On the way. Okay, next screen, I need to choose server roles, and here it is, I need to install web server. So click on add feature web server, and this is simply just install, nothing extra is required. Click on next. Web server, next, very simple. Click on next and restart the registration server if required. So I don't think so that this is required here. Click on installation. This will take some time, around 5 minutes time, and after that we will be good to go. So let's have a okay, so this installation is going on, and let's wait or I'll just back again in couple of minute, probably not more than that. Okay, so I'm on the way of installation of this IIS web server, which is very cool, and even I don't think so that I need to take the break, so it's good. Okay, so here it is, and my server IS installation got ready. I can close this one, and I should check now what happened actually. And let me just start server manager again. And okay, let's go to open Internet Explorer. Okay, guys, so here you can see my IS server is ready, and these are the details. And apart from this, just go to OK, and my Internet Explorer is getting ready. And now what is if I click on http localhost. Cool. So here you can see my IS welcome page, IS homepage is available, and I am able to host my website on local. And let's go to this page now. There should be one file created. C, then inetpub, this folder, then go to www root. This folder is basically the folder where you need to host your website. Right now this page is there, so you are getting the welcome page. This is the same page which you are getting. You can verify, you can see here. So this is the same page, and what I just need to do, just cut this page and paste it outside, and let's just check if your server is still okay. So your file is not available right now. What you need to do, you need to just paste your index.html page here in this file, or you can create a, you can copy your website data, whatever, whenever what is your website, you just need to copy and paste here, and just set up the welcome page like index.html or whatever the page you want to configure. You can configure it in IIS. Let me just show you, let me just try to create one file for you, index.html, or index.html, or what I can say, like save this file as a index.html, and copy it, save it. Here it is. Just delete this file. Here, just write something interesting you would like to do. Open with Notepad. I open it with Notepad, and here write something interesting like welcome to this website, AWS Learning website hosting session. Nice name. And enjoy the video. Okay, cool. Let's see how it comes. Now just copy this file, and as I said, you just need to paste into this www root folder. And now if you go there and refresh localhost, okay, see. So welcome to the AWS Learning website hosting session. Enjoy the video. Here, this is your website is got ready. Okay, so we have covered the second part. If you want to change, or if you want to change some settings in IIS, you can go and you can click on manageability options, where you can check, that all the settings in IIS. If you need to make some settings changes, you can do here. However, right now without this, you can see that this is working fine and you don't need to make much changes. But still, if you require some changes, you can easily manage here, and you can also manage multiple website. Right now I am working on default website. You can changes, or you can make your multiple website hosting here via IIS. So this is very helpful tool. Right now it is running on 80 web port. You want to change your port and whatever the settings you want to do, you can do it from here. So right now I didn't did much, and as I showed that I just installed simple IIS, and after that I copied my welcome page here in this folder index.html. This is just a normal screen. If you have your complete website, you can copy here and you can host here. So here I completed second part, which was install IIS on Windows Server. We has done third part also, copy website content in HTML folder. Now let's see what is happening exactly. I have one public IP address of this, so I can go here, and if you open this, cool. So here you can see my website is also hosting, and I can access this website with this one, right? If I open with public IP address, I can access it via this. And because this is a public IP, you know that for we need permanent IP address, because this IP will get changed in 1 or 2 days, or if I restart my server, this IP address can get changed. This is not the permanent IP address. So we need to follow the fourth step, which is I need to use elastic IP address, which is permanent and which will not get changed over the time. So I should go with this one. And what you need to do to give a elastic IP address, that is very simple. Go to again elastic IP address, click on allocate new address and allocate, close. I got the IP addresses and just associate it with your server. Your server, my server is ready. Here you can see, and this got associated. And let's go again to EC2. Okay guys, if you want to learn about other services also of AWS, I have this channel ready, and there are a lot of videos available regarding to this AWS course. If you want to do AWS solution associate, AWS system admin solution associate, sorry I missed it. Oh, so you can just some marketing time. Just give me a minute. Let's have a look how it is going on. So here this is my channel and cloud learning. This is my channel, you can search it. And okay, so here you can see I have two playlists there. AWS Solution Architect Associate course. It is available in both language, in English and in Hindi as well. There are a lot of videos available, and you can do the complete course via this. So for the other videos like RDS service, Route 53, SES, whatever the service is available, or what is the course content which is available in this course, it is available in these playlists. So you can refer these videos and you can learn AWS if you want. If you are looking for certification, that will it also going to help you. If you haven't subscribed it, so you just go there and subscribe the channel, so that you can get the future notifications also. Okay, so let's come to again this part. Okay, so I got the elastic IP addresses, and now you can see my site is working yet or not. Okay, so here if you go to instances, one running instance, here you can check my elastic IP addresses, replace the public IP address, and now I have my public address replaced with elastic IP addresses, and you can access the website again with this elastic IP addresses, and benefit is that now this IP address is not going to change. Right, so cool. If you want to access it via IP addresses only, then the work finish and your website is hosted. You can give this public IP address, or you can give this IP address to anybody and they can access your website. Okay, so want to map it with your domain? You have purchased one domain and you want to map it. So that is also very easy, and I can let you know that how you can map it so that it will become a complete website hosting for you on very low price under free tier. It is available for 1 year, so you can run your website for 1 year at no cost almost, and that no server cost included there, no website hosting charges. You can host your complete website on free for 1 year here. So let's go to the another last part of this video where you can host or where you can map your website with your domain. So what I need to do, I have purchased my domain from GoDaddy. So I have to go there, or you need to go there from which service provider you have purchased your domain. You need to go there. After that, you need to go to manage DNS option, and here there is a record, and in this a record you need to change your points to address with your elastic IP address. You can just copy it and go to domain manager, change this a record, and now this will point to this server. It will take some time to get update. Okay, so this got update now, and this will take some time probably. Oh, cool. So you can see my domain got mapped, and I changed the pointer here and now it's working perfectly, right? So I can awslearnings.in, you can see, and if I open this domain, I am getting this my website welcome page again. So cool. So here you can see guys that how in easy steps and very simple steps you can host your website in cloud or in AWS for 1 year absolutely free of charge, free of cost. And after that also you we have to just pay the nominal charges. So it is very simple to host your website in cloud. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please click on like button. Do share it with your friends. Do share it, that with your friends, and as I said that you just subscribe the channel so that we can expand, and that our channel can expand, and at least most of the people will get take the benefits. Okay, friends. Thank you for watching, and share your comments. If you are learning AWS or if you are working on AWS, share your comments with me. I would like to see your comments, and I would like to know that how you are feeling on cloud, what the problems you are facing or what the benefits you are facing. Just share your experience, and probably on that other people can also take the benefits, and I also would like to add something, that my experience and your experience, so we can create a good experience here. And I also have one page, you can see. I also have one Facebook page, so you can also reach me on this Facebook page and can share your feedback, that share your comments. And I would like to know like what how you are experiencing on cloud. There are a lot of many companies already going on cloud, and how they are feeling, and what is your kind experiences like this. I just would like to know. So thanks for now, friends, and I believe that this is something useful and good session for us. Wish you very good day. Thank you.